Welcome. So today I'm gonna show you how to use the live listen with your AirPods on the iPhone. So the first thing is to open the charging case to connect the AirPods Pro to your iPhone. And right now we have to open the notification bar, click on the ear icon, and as you can see it's not available here, but when we put the AirPod to our ear, the right one, and now it is off, so click here to activate it, and right now you can clearly hear what is going on outside. So this is how it looks. I hope that I help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See you.